Hi. Welcome to Inspire UI. After customizing the design and features of the app, now you can change the app name, icon, bundle ID, and build the iOS and Android apps. For more detail about the requirement or preparation, please refer to the last part, requirement before building the app. Firstly, we will build an Android app. In step 1, refer to the source code folder of FluxStore or FluxNews that you have downloaded from Envato and unzip it. Select Apply Config to apply features customization and your website's information. Select Apply Design to apply your design customization. They will be saved to source code too. In step 2, you can skip this step if you've already updated this information in the source code. Input the bundle ID and update it. If you want to know the way to change the app bundle ID, view the description of this video to see the guide. Click Select Folder, refer to your Google Services JSON file. If you want to know the way to create your Google Services JSON file, view the description of this video to see the guide. The key password and store password are the same, at least 6 characters. Go to step 3 and wait. In the first time, it takes about 10 or 20 minutes to verify pod. From the second time, it just takes 2 to 3 minutes. After all items are passed, go to step 4. If it is failed, please double-check all items and refer to the next part, requirement before building the app. Select the Build APK button to create an APK file. Select the Build App Bundle button to create an AB file. The build process takes about 20 to 40 minutes. When you do not see the in progress icon, the build is finished. Click the down icon to see the result. The congratulations text displays, the Android app is built successfully. Click here to view the logs. Select the Release Folder button. You will see the Android app file, it is in the Release folder in the source code folder. Now, you can check how this app works on your Android phone or upload it to Google Play. In this part, we will build an iOS app. Firstly, please create your bundle ID and Google Service Info plist file. Go to our Support Center page. This is the guide of FluxBuilder. The guide to creating your Google Service Info plist file. This is our video guide. Copy Google Service Info plist file to the iOS folder in the source code of FluxStore or FluxNews that you have downloaded from Envato. After finishing, go to the FluxBuilder tool. On step 1, refer to the source code folder of FluxStore or FluxNews. Select Apply Config to apply features customization and your website's information. Select Apply Design to apply your design customization. They will be saved to the source code too. In step 2, select the folder icon. Refer to the certificate file that you have created. To create certificate and provisioning files, you can refer to this guide. Go to the guide of FluxBuilder. Open the guide, create certificate and provisioning files. This is our video guide. Now back to the FluxBuilder. Input the certificate password and password of your computer. Refer to the provisioning file. Refer to the provisioning OneSignal file. Select Install Profile and wait for the congratulation text to displays. Click here to view the logs. Go to step 3 and wait for checking. In the first time, it takes about 60 minutes to download and install pod. From the second time, it just takes 5 to 10 minutes. After all items are passed, go to step 4. If it is failed, please double-check all items and refer to the next part, requirement before building the app. Select the Build iOS button. The build process takes about 60 minutes. When the in progress icon disappears, the build has finished. Click the down icon to see the result. The congratulations text displays, the iOS app is built successfully. Click here to view the logs. The built iOS app is exported to the release folder in the source code. Go to the source code folder of FluxStore or FluxNews app. You will see the IPA file, it is in the release folder in the source code folder. Now, you can check how this app works or upload to Apple Store. Please check out the requirements before building Android and iOS apps. Go to our Support Center page. This is the guide of the drag-and-drop FluxBuilder tool. The guide of FluxStore Pro app. FluxStore WooCommerce apps guide. And more guide. Now we back to the guide of FluxBuilder. After purchase, you can see this detailed guide. FluxBuilder help to build app for FluxStore and FluxNews apps. Not support FluxStore Manager and FluxStore Delivery Boy apps yet. This feature is available for the extended license of FluxStore. Now we go to the FluxBuilder. You can purchase the extended license here. With the regular license, you also can build your app manually with the Android Studio. Back to the guide. Your system should be Mac OS 64 bits or Windows 10 64 bits. Please make sure you have followed this guide to install Flutter. The result of Flutter Doctor should be like this. All items have been checked with green color. And use Flutter with version channel stable 2.2.x. You should use the latest version of FluxStore or FluxNews app. Should not use special characters or space in the folder or file name. Use English. Make sure you have installed the required plugins. For FluxNews and WooCommerce apps, such as FluxStore WooCommerce, FluxStore Multi-Vendors. Install mStore API and activate it. Please check the right menu to see the required plugins or API of each app. That's all. Note of the build feature. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.